Today, I'm putting ChatGPT to the test. Let's see if it can act like a geologist and identify this rock based only on a photo. I really want to know what this rock is. I'm betting on fossilized coral based on the outside's bubbly and rough exterior. But hey, I've been wrong before. My husband always loves to tell people the story about how I thought I had found a dinosaur bone, which actually turned out to be an old tree branch. But what can I say? I'm an optimistic rockhound. Now, let's cut this in half while we ChatGPT the answer. ChatGPT says it looks to resemble a type of fossilized coral or concretion or even stromatolites. Apparently, visual identification can be misleading. We're going to upload the cut-in-half photo of this rock and tell ChatGPT to act like a geologist, since AI can be any professional you need, right? This rock, once sliced open, according to ChatGPT, shows an intricate pattern that strongly suggests it's a piece of fossilized coral, specifically the kind that comes from a coral colony. I must admit, ChatGPT answered my question pretty well, and if I had to take a gamble, I'd say ChatGPT's answer is 97.8% accurate. I'd still like to turn to you guys, our trusty community of rock experts, to weigh in with your expertise. Let me know in the comments, do you know what this is? Is ChatGPT correct? Hopefully now you can say that you've learned something from ChatGPT and from our page, I Like Rocks. Stay tuned for our next video and make sure to like our video and share it with all of your rockhounding friends.